Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn how to use Office add-ins. Office add-ins are small programs or small applications that run inside various Microsoft Office 2016 programs to extend their functionality. There are Office add-ins to help you learn about Excel's features, look up words in the dictionary, or enter dates into spreadsheet by selecting the calendar. These all are the small add-ins which are used by your Excel or by your Microsoft Office. So what is the procedure to do it is, you go to the Insert tab. Here you are having add-ins group. Here you are having Store. When you click this, it will display all the add-ins that is placed on the internet. It will take some time. Look, they are the add-ins which have displayed online. When you select any of them, you just add them and it will be added to your tab here. Now there are the categories like data analysis, visualization, document review, education. For education you are having different add-ins, like you are having dictionary here, you are having houses admin here. Okay. Now the other thing about add-ins is too how to install them. When you're going to add, then you will be seeing that loading add-ins here. It is going to loading your add-ins. Now it is loaded here. This add-in is loaded here. It will ask you for the domain name, for the user and for the password. Then you are going to sign in for her. So they are the way how you use the add-ins into your worksheet. There is another thing, that is my add-ins. In this, only selected or added add-ins will be displayed. Like you just added the red critter house admin, we have just added it and it is showing in the list here. Now the other thing is how to use the add-ins. Excel add-in programs are small modules that extend the program's power by giving you access to a wide array of features and calculating functions. You are having three types of add-ins. There are the built-in add-ins. Next, there are add-in that is going to be downloaded from the online website. That is, you can add it from the www.office.microsoft.com. You can add your add-ins from the site. Or the third type of add-ins are that are developed by the third-party vendors that must to be purchased. So when we first install Excel 2016, the built-in add-ins program included with Excel are fully loaded and ready to use. To load any other add-in programs, you just go to File. You see the options here. Now there is the Add-in tab. Now you can see the built-in add-ins are analysis tool pack, WBA, date, euro currency tools. They all are the add-ins that are built in your Excel 2016, but they are not active yet. Look, when you are pressing any add-in here, you are getting the detail of that add-in here. Look, euro currency tool, you are having this, this, this. Now if you want to add any of the add-in, you just click on that add-in, you press go, and here you get the add-ins. When you click them, there is a list which is showing you the selected add-ins. Now you press OK here. Now it is going to installing your add-ins. When you go to my add-ins, it's again showing only red critter because it is the only add-in that you have just downloaded. The other add-ins which you have just installed now, they all were the built-in add-ins. Thank you.